to Hello Kitty's Nail Salon. Here, you can help her create super cute nail designs. If you practice your skills by creating specially designed manicures, you'll earn more and more stars. Explore your creativity in freestyle. The best nail designers always have the most unique designs. Are you ready for a challenge in Match This? Copy the specially designed manicure prepared for you. If you match the manicure perfectly, you'll see how much Hello Kitty loves your work. In Hello Kitty's Nail Salon, you can become the best nail designer you can possibly be. What would you like to do now? Change the background style and choose the skin color for your hand. What nail shape do you want to use? Choose it by tapping the Nail Shape button. So, what's the latest trend in nail polish color? Choose the color you want to use from the tray. Use your finger to brush it on the nail. You can change the size of your brush to add smaller or bigger details. Don't worry if you make a mistake. What pattern inspires you today? Tap on a pattern in the tray to use it on your nails. Change the pattern's color with the color wheel. Use the slider to change the size of the pattern. Now to make it super cute by adding a character. Drag the character you want onto your nail, anywhere you like. Press the next button to continue. Now to add some final touches. Choose from stylish stickers and sparkly gems. Use 2 fingers to rotate or change the size of your sticker or gem. Press the next button to continue. Swipe back and forth on the tray to see all your options. I love it! On to the next nail. Press the next button to continue. I love it! On to the next nail. Gorgeous! Let's keep going. I love it! On to the next nail. Press the next button to continue. Press the next button to continue. Excellent! If you're done with your manicure, tap on the camera to save it to your album. Take a photo of your hand or use a model's hand for your manicure. That's a super cute nail design! You can check out this manicure in your album.